Morrisville, North Carolina, pressure washing. If you are looking for professional pressure washing in Morrisville, North Carolina, this video explains everything you need to know about picking the best company, understanding the process, and getting the best results for your property. Our team has experience with all types of driveways, including asphalt, concrete, and brick. We use the right equipment for your specific driveway to ensure a safe and long-lasting finish. In Morrisville, North Carolina's hot climate, outdoor living spaces can quickly become overgrown with dirt and grime. Regular cleaning helps keep these areas looking their best all year round. When it comes to cleaning your home or business in Morrisville, North Carolina, our pressure washing team is happy to lend a hand with tough jobs like removing stubborn stains and grime. We take pride in using eco-friendly cleaning solutions that are safe for your property and the environment, so you can feel good about using our services without worrying about the impact on your community. Our equipment is specially designed to get into tight spaces and corners, making it perfect for cleaning hard-to-reach areas like gutters, downspouts, and exterior walls. We also offer specialized services for homes in Morrisville, North Carolina, with outdoor pools, hot tubs, and water features, ensuring that every area of your property receives the attention it deserves. For businesses in Morrisville, North Carolina, our pressure washing team can help create a welcoming and well-maintained atmosphere, from sidewalks to storefronts, by removing dirt, grime, and unwanted stains. Professional pressure washing can save you time and money by removing dirt, grime, and damage from your home's exterior, restoring its original appearance and extending its lifespan with regular maintenance. If you are looking for pressure washing in Morrisville, North Carolina, woodiesnc.com can help with free estimates and scheduling to get your property clean and well-maintained today. Click the link below to learn more